Welcome back to my channel. So for today's look, we are doing a simple, easy fall look. It is that time of year, you guys. It is fall, so get your sweaters out, get your nice, beautiful fall colors ready, and it's going to get a little bit cold, except if you live in California or Southern California. It just never gets cold here. But let's get into this. The first color I'm going in with is a color called Zama from the Juvia's Place Warrior 2 palette. So all the palettes I'm going to be using today are Juvia's Place. So if you have it, feel free to try this look. But let's get right into this look. And while I'm doing it, make sure you like, subscribe, and comment. If you are returning, thank you. If you're new here, push the button. What you waiting for? We fun. But let's go ahead and jump back into this. So I'm just blending in that color. Now I'm going in with my Zulu palette, and there's this yellow color. It doesn't have a name, but it's the only yellow color in this palette, and I'm using that color to blend out that first burnt orange color. And so I'm just going to go ahead and just blend in a circular motion and make sure we get a nice flawless blend. And I'm just adding some more of that yellow color. I just wanted it to pop just a little bit more. And it wasn't popping enough for me, so I took some more of that yellow color and just decided to just pat it on top of that orange color. And of course, we have a song break. And now what I'm doing is going in to the Saharan 2 palette by Juvia's Place using the color Fizz or Fez. And we're taking that all on top of the crease, all over the crease. And I'm just patting that color in with a fluffy eyeshadow brush. And now I'm just taking a blending brush and just blending that color out a bit into that burnt orange color. And I'm going to get a little closer for you guys can see. And I'm just working that blend. Alrighty, so now I'm going in with a brown gel liner and doing my wing. I did not opt for black this time. I wanted to keep with the color scheme, so I went with a brown gel liner. Now I got this gel liner off of Amazon. It's no particular brand, but I will link it down below in the description box if you're interested in it. Just getting that wing nice and sharp. I can cut somebody with that wing. Alrighty, so I did want that wing to kind of blend into the look, so I took the color Kenya, which is a dark brown eyeshadow from the Nubian 2 palette, and I just kind of put that right on top of the wing. And now I'm just throwing on some black eyeliner on my waterline. And now I'm taking that same smudge brush that I used to apply the color Kenya on the wing, and I'm just, excuse me, I'm just smudging it out. I didn't put any more product on the brush, just whatever was left over from that eyeshadow, the Kenya eyeshadow, I'm just using it to smudge out that eyeliner. Now I'm just prepping my eyelashes with some mascara to get ready for my false lashes. Alrighty, that's it. I just threw on my Sumptuous Beauty lashes in the style Moscow. If you're interested in these lashes, I will leave the information and the promo code down below. And we are all done. I did my foundation off screen. I hope you guys enjoyed this easy, simple fall look. And you guys have a beautiful holiday season. And make sure you like, subscribe, and comment. Peace out. Love you guys.